Hey guys, so replacing the filter on my AprilAire whole house purifier used to feel like an errand, and I put it away for way too long because the brand name replacement are not cheap. So I decided to try these and I'm genuinely glad that I did. Two filters in the box, solid build quality, and they fit and perform exactly what they should do, right? Now, one thing worth flagging for anyone who's new to this, the normal size listed is 16 by 25 by 4, but the actual dimensions are slightly different at 16.4 by 27.91 by 3.91. The listing is upfront about this, so just double check your actual window measurements before ordering to make sure you're getting the right fit. Now, once you confirm the compatibility with your AprilAire model, you're good to go. Installation is genuinely as easy as advertised. You unfold the filter, the four metal support rods click into place to give it structure and rigidity, and the anti-friction pads at the top and bottom let it slide into the furnace housing smoothly without catching or scraping. No tools, no wrestling with it, no frustration. I had it in and latched in under a minute, and that's including the time it took me to pull the old one out. The multi-layer fabric feels well constructed and dense without being restrictive. My system's airflow felt unchanged after the installation, which is exactly what you want. Good filtration shouldn't come to such a cost for your HVAC working harder than it should.